guys, welcome back to my channel. After a much needed break, I am back and I am better. And as the title of the video shows today, I will be telling you guys, or I'll be doing this makeup, this glitter shimmer, whatever you want to call it, just a little simple look for a little date night. Okay guys, so let's get started. I'm gonna start off with a cotton ball and some witch hazel just to cleanse my face a little because I just finished washing. It's gonna, you know, hydrate it again. So if you see me looking down, it's because I'm looking in the mirror. I'm just gonna let it, you know, dry in. And then I'm going in with my oil-free moisturizing cream. I don't know if this is gonna show my entire face completely, so that, you know, everything is well blended in. And voila, my face is well moisturized. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my prep and primer. Y'all know I love this thing. Yes.
It gets oily, but I just do my entire face because my entire face gets oily. And that's what I'm doing here. My nose and my forehead.
Voila. The next thing I'm gonna go in with, I'm not gonna do my brows. Normally I do my brows before I actually go in and do my foundation and whatnot. But now I'm gonna go in with this Fit Me Dewy Smooth foundation in the shade 360 Mocha. So what you wanna do is apply a little to the back of your hand like this. You know, just a little, like, you know, it's gonna be enough. Like that. And you tap, tap, tap. Mix, 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 and you just rub it on your face, like simple, easy. Don't want to add too much because when this dries, then it dries to your complete color. So yeah.
If you do need to add a little more, just add a little more. It's okay to add a little more. Ensure that your entire face gets the foundation. That is what you have to do, then do it. Just to let you guys see. Get under your neck and everywhere, so that it wouldn't look like,
you know, okay, she's putting on foundation and her skin is so uneven or what. No, we don't want them to say that. So okay, I know my white shirt is gonna get dirty. That's okay, it's gonna come off anyways. And there, my foundation is on. Blend it out a little more. Ensure to use a damp beauty blender because a damp beauty blender expands to the right size and it gives you the perfect, you know, yeah. So what I'm gonna do is
just blend the foundation in a little more so that everything can be seamless and nice. So how y'all been, like? I know it's been like the pandemic and stuff, and excuse me, I'll be right back.
okay. So next I'm gonna go in with this black opal foundation stick in the shade Ebony Brown, and I'm gonna like that.
I'm not sure if there's where it has to go. But anyways, let's just, you know, the contour, you put your contour like in the shadows of your face, if you don't know that already. So it goes on your forehead, you know, under your chin, or the bottom half of your face. And I'm not gonna apply some to my nose yet. What I'm gonna do is blend it out, and you know, with an angle brush. So I'm gonna blend it out. I don't know why, but I make a kind of like a fish face when I'm actually blending out my contour. I don't know what reason, but that's what I do.
And yeah, I just blend it out, and I continue blending until, you know, it's all out and gone. And you know that, okay, it's okay now, so you stop blending. Contour, okay, contour. Anyways, guys, so I'm gonna
go in with my concealer in the shade Cool Tan 07, and I'm going to be highlighting with this. So we put concealer on here. I'm gonna try to do like a lot of concealer under my eyes thingy. Full coverage, you know. So yeah. If you guys have been following me for a while on YouTube, you would know that my ways of doing makeup actually changed a little. So yeah, you want to apply the concealer everywhere that you think it should be. Everywhere that you're going to highlight, you want to apply it. The bridge of your nose is a must. And a little on your forehead, not much. And it should look something like this. You don't have to do the whole dramatic under eye thing like I did. I mean, it's okay. And yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a NYX Beauty Blender, a damp one of course, and I'm gonna use that to blend out my concealer. So let's get blending. I'm gonna start with the one under here. And you blend. Then we're gonna you blend the one with the less concealer first, because you don't want a lot of concealer to be anywhere else that you didn't put much, right? So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Ooh, I think I need to use a brush to, like, you know, get that in. Use a brush if you have to, just to blend it in. If you think that, okay, the brush is going to blend it in a little more, use a brush, sis. What I'm going to do next is blend this one on my nose out. You have to be careful how you're blending this one, because you can have a lot of creases, and I'm sure you don't want that. So, know how you're blending. What you can do sometimes is add a little powder while you're blending. That's a good pro tip too, you know. We're gonna blend. Tap, 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 tap. I know my own eye is looking crazy right now, but trust the process, okay?
So what I'm doing here is setting my under eyes with some of the Sacha Buttercup. I did this side already, and I'm about to just do the other side. We're just setting Well, I'm not really setting, but I'm just, you know, yeah, we're setting, we're not baking. We're setting, not baking. And here on the eyes should look like this. We're gonna set everywhere else.
Normal. Okay. Normal. I love this. And I'm just gonna apply it where I contour my face. You know, the darkest spots. So let's get into that. And down. Like this.
Contour. I do not know how to contour my nose, guys. So y'all don't come for me in the comments. Just don't come for me in the comments, because I know nothing about contouring my nose. Okay. Blend it out with a contour powder. You want to do this step, do not skip it. Okay. Especially if you're like dark skin like me, you need contour in your life. Okay. And your face should be looking like this right now. Not crazy, but okay. What do you say? I know, girl. I know it's popping. I'm looking up. I know it's popping. I know. Okay, guys, so we're applying some blush. Not much, but you know, just a little. Okay. Let's look a little pink. It's giving me something. I don't know, but it's giving me something. I look so pink. Okay, so I finished my brows. Well, something like that. I'm not spending too much time on my brows anymore. So I'm going in with a very light shade, you know, to the outer corner. It's a kind of like a light brownish color, you know, and I'm just applying that around, you know. In my crease, you know, like here. That's my crease, right? So this is actually what my eyes are looking like right now. What I'm gonna do is go zoom you guys in a little, and I'm just gonna go apply the glitter is on this side, and we're gonna move over to the next side and just apply glitter. One thing I don't like about glitter is that when you use, let me just reduce this lighting a little so you guys can see you know how it's looking. I want you guys to see like the glitter and how I placed it, just like that. Okay. Okay, so this is my skin with the natural lighting, so let's get back to, you know, the lighting that we was at. Applying some eyeliner now because I want to do my brows, my lashes, sorry. I don't think you guys actually seen how I achieve this eye look, and I'm just gonna go put on my lashes, and you guys know to put on lashes, so let me just go put on my lashes and be right back. So I drop on my lashes, setting spray. And we're gonna let that set in while we use our brush and some pressed powder just to set the you know, y'all know what I'm talking about. We're gonna set our entire face. How are we looking? I think we're looking good, classy. Our last thing to do, and my battery is about to die, and I do not want it to die. So, I guess. Hold on. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it, and before you guys even come for me about my hair, go look at the video that I posted before this with me explaining why I cut my hair and my favorite natural hair product. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love y'all.